everyone, today we'll be making a magic card. In this magic card, how you have to make it? First of all, you need to have 21 by 25 centimeters of a square sheet, of a rectangular sheet of any color. First of all, what you have to do is, from one end you have to make a point, like from this end you have to make a point till here, which is 1 centimeters from here. Then at the same time you have to choose a bottom corner, and from here you have to make a point till here, which is 1 centimeters. Again, you have to join it into a line, and this will look something like this. Now after making this line, you have to make a crease on this line by folding it at the back or in the front like this. You just have to fold it and press the creases. And after doing this, you have to fold the rest of the part into the half like this. Make sure that this thing which is folded is here, and you are putting this thing at the top of it. So this is half, and this is how we have folded it. Now you have to press it from the sides and make a crease. So this is the first crease and this is the second crease. Now when you're done with this step, you have to fold it in this way that this top thing comes at the top. Now this small thing comes at the back, and this is the front part which is plain. Here you have to make 2 points, like 2 on each corner, which are 1 centimeters from it. And on the other corner as well, I have done the same thing. Like from each corner it is going 1 centimeters top or 1 centimeters below it. So now when you're done with this thing, you just have to make these points. Like you have to join these points into the lines, and you have to make the rectangle in the center. This is the rectangle which is formed in the center. You have to cut it out from here. Now after when you're done with the square, I've cut this rectangle in the center like this, and you have this fold at the back. What you have to do is, you just have to fold it at the back, and you have to paste this, you have to put the glue here and paste it right here like this. Now you have to take a sheet of 21 by 13 centimeters, and in the sheet you have to make 2 lines. From here you have to make 1 centimeter mark, from here you have to make another 1 centimeter mark, and on the other side as well you have to do the similar thing. Now you have to join them into the lines. After joining them into the 2 lines like this, you have to make the crease along these lines. After making this crease, it will look something like this. Now you have these 2 creases at the back. Now you have to put some glue on both the sides, like from here and here as well, and you have to paste it here inside it. Make sure you're pasting it in the center, and both the sides should have same spaces. Press it with your finger so that it pastes well. When you're done with it, you just have to close this whole thing, and there is this fold over here. You have to put the glue on the whole thing, and you have to paste it here. So you just have to put the glue over here. And you have to spread it and paste it here. Now it will look something like this when you're done with it. Now you have to take a sheet of 21 by 11 centimeters, and what you need to do is, you just have to take that sheet. You have to draw something or the other. You have to take a sheet of 21 by 11 and you have to draw something on it. Or you can draw anything of your own choice. You can draw anything of your own choice, and it should look something like this. When you're done with the drawing, you have to color it. Now you have to do the coloring in this part and make sure you have done the outlining of the whole thing. Now you need to have this transparent paper of the same size as that of this sheet. So it should be of same size as that of the sheet. Now you need to have 5 by 11 centimeters of the square sheet of the same color as the same one, and you have to fold it into the half. Now when you're done with it, you have to paste it the way I'm doing it. You have to put some glue inside it and paste it. Now when the pasting part is done, it will look something like this. So now you have to take the marker, a bold marker, and you have to do the drawing on it. Now it will look something like this when you've done the outlining of it. You have to take this upper sheet on the upper part and this lower sheet on the lower part of it. So you have these two parts here. Now the lower part has to be put, now this yellow part has to be put in this lower part, and this transparent part on this upper part right here.